Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you that how you can disable Windows 10 auto update. So if you are interested to know, so don't try to skip this video from any point, and if you are new to our channel, please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to never miss any update. So first of all, you have to search for services. Okay, you have to search for services. After that, you will see this type of application. Now you need to open services app. After that, you will see this type of interface. Okay, now you have to find Windows update. Okay, now you have to find Windows update here. Okay, so here you can see that Windows update. Okay, now you have to click here and right click on this. After that, you have to click on properties. Okay, after that, you will see this type of interface. Now you have to click on startup type. Here you can see startup type. You have to click here. After that, you will see this type of interface. Now you can see that automatic delayed start, automatic manual disable. Okay, so now you have to click on disable, click on apply button, and then click on OK button. So by using this method, you can disable Windows 10 auto update. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to never miss any update. Thanks for watching this video.